Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unpin my AI on Snapchat. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So, there is only one way to do this, and this is by having Snapchat Plus. Subscribing to Snapchat Plus enables you to unpin My AI on Snapchat. And so now, we try to ask My AI on how we can unpin My AI on Snapchat and see what is its answer. And here, as we can see, we need to have the Snapchat Plus. So we need to sign up to an account on Snapchat Plus. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.